Automotive oil film cleaning brush review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If your car's windshield looks hazy due to oil film, you might be tempted by a tool like the product entity product Automotive oil film cleaning brush, but most people get this wrong by assuming low cost means no compromise. Let's walk through the value. This cleaning tool is listed around $249 in India and marketed as a reusable accessory to remove oil film, smudges and road haze from glass surfaces, ideal for clear visibility. What you get: a specific tool for a very specific problem, oil film on glass at a modest cost. Potential improvement in visibility and driving safety if your windshield is actually affected. What you give up or need to check: it's a niche tool if your windshield is simply dirty rather than film coated. A regular glass cleaner might suffice for much less. The value depends on how often you'll use it and whether you'll maintain its reusable benefits. If you buy it and use it once, cost per use is high. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Assess whether you have the problem. Can you see hazy glare or film on your windshield? If yes, this tool may help. Step 2. Compare the tool's cost versus general glass cleaning solutions. For example, a standard glass cleaner may cost $150 and serve wider use. Step 3. Estimate usage frequency. If you clean film once then many times annually, it spreads value. If only once, cost per use is still $249. Step 4. Rate reviews or user feedback on effectiveness and durability. Most people get this wrong by buying specialty products for occasional problems and then storing them unused. The surprising truth: even a small tool delivers good value only if you genuinely need it and use it regularly. In conclusion, if your car's glass suffers from oil or film and you plan to use this cleaning brush repeatedly, the price is reasonable. If your need is minimal or the problem is general dirt, you may get better value by opting for a standard cleaner. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more auto accessory reviews and what you're really getting for your money.